What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to solve the valid palindrome problem. So a palindrome simply means a phrase or a string. It could be uppercase, it could be lowercase. If you reverse the string, it will be exactly same as the original string. So let's see some example. So we have this example, ABBA. If you reverse it, it will be still ABBA. Same for this one. If you reverse it, it will still be CIVIC, civic. So these are valid palindromes, but this one is not a valid palindrome because if you reverse it, it will be like this. This is not race car, this one is. So this is not a valid palindrome. So how are we gonna solve it? The logic is pretty simple. The logic should be like this. So if you reverse the string, it should be exactly equals to the current string. So you can do that with one-liner, but if you are on interview, I don't think you should do this. It would be better if you do that in step by step. But I will also show you that one-liner solution in JavaScript later in this video. But first, we're gonna see the actual solution. So we're gonna solve this problem using some pointers. We're gonna have two pointers, one left and one right. So the left pointer will be on the first character and the right pointer will be on the last character. And we're gonna match if the characters are same or not. If they are same, that's fine, we will move on. If they are not, then it's not a palindrome. So are they same? A and A same. Then we will go to the next one. We will shift our left pointer to the right and we will shift our right pointer to the left. And then we will have BB. Yes, they are same. And we cannot move our left pointer and right pointer because there are no more characters. So this is a valid palindrome. So let's see that other example. So this one. So C and C matches. Then I and I, they both matches. And then you will find an edge case. If the string length is an odd number, then you will find a character that will be always at the middle if it's a valid palindrome. If you reverse it, it will stay there at the same place. So we will shift the pointers. And this is a single character and we cannot move our pointers anymore. So this is a valid palindrome. And let's see this one. And as I mentioned, this is not a valid palindrome. The reason is all the characters are okay at this point, but the problem arrives here. This E and A, these are not same. So this is not a valid palindrome. So you can use a while loop for this solution. So let's actually code it up. It's pretty simple. But there is another problem that I forgot to mention, that the string can contain spaces, then comma, colons. You need to ignore this. We can do that using a regular expression and we will also convert it to a lowercase string. So I can create a new variable, sanitized string. It should be s dot replace with this regular expression and we can call the two lowercase function. So now the string will only contain the numbers and the characters. And also if a string is empty, it is still considered as a valid palindrome. So now we can create two pointers. So let left would be 0, let right would be sanitized string dot length. Now we'll create a while loop. And the condition should be the left has to be less than or equals to the right pointer. So left should be less than or equals to the right pointer. And we can get the characters and we can check if left character is not equals to right character, then we will return false. This means it's not a palindrome. Otherwise, we will shift our pointers. So left plus plus and right minus minus. And finally, we can just return true. So this should do the work. Let's run it. Okay, so the right pointer shouldn't be the length. It should be the length minus 1. So now it should work. Okay, so it has accepted our solution. Okay, so now let me show you the shortcut. So I can comment this. Now there isn't a native function to reverse the string in JavaScript, so we will use arrays. So first we're gonna split the string to an array. So split, and then we can reverse the array. And finally, we can join all the characters and get it back as a string. And now we can compare that with our actual string. So this should also work. And obviously, we need to return it, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so it has also worked, but I will prefer this solution in the interview than this one. So yeah, that's it. If the video has been helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out the blog for future reference and check out my other channel. The link will be on the description. So have a nice day. Goodbye.